Evening, folks. Welcome back to Little Shop of Nightmares. If you feel like you've seen this outfit before, it's because, well, I'm working on another video at the same time as I am this one. I just got to wait for the other one to dry up before I can do any more on it. Several people, friends, have sent me a video of a gentleman. I don't know who he is. I don't know, nothing about him, but sent me a video of a man using a piece of deer antler and looks like a 308 cartridge and things to make a, maybe walnut to make a pin with, and it looked really good. And that's kind of his thing. I don't want to use rifle cartridges to make pins with. One, they don't, they don't fit well, and personally I don't like the way they feel in my hand. I've got one that a man made me several years ago, but I do have some found stuff. So I've made a blank here out of some driftwood I found, and a deer antler I found working in Wisconsin. Found this deer antler laying on the side of the track. I've already made the blank up and everything. I've got it in the lathe, so we're gonna see if we can turn it. I don't know, we might scatter it. I don't know. We'll find out in a few minutes though. So just sit back and get ready. See if I can get the camera lined up here where y'all can see. It's hard being a one-man show, I'm telling you. But yeah, I found, I don't know, several years ago, I found several pieces of driftwood and brought them in, and I've turned a few things with them. This here, I'm not sure what it is, but I've got another piece over there. I cut some blanks. I think it's locust, but this here, the color of it and everything kind of makes me want to think it's cherry. But this figure pattern in it, I don't know. And it's got, I don't know, it's kind of rotten in a few places, so we may be able to turn it, we may not. I don't know. If we're not able to, then I do have a piece of figured walnut. We'll go that route or something. We'll do something, but let's see what we can do. Maybe if we take our time, we can. Yeah, these are just. This is just like a piece of a stump or something that had washed up. I don't think I'm going to use that round one. So far we're doing all right. Let's get to the stinky part. I wish you people could smell that. I really do. The best way I know to describe that smell is it smells like burning toenails or something. It's got a smell you ain't gonna get used to, I don't think. When anyone ever tells you they enjoy that smell, you need to lock them up for the safety of humanity. Because there is something wrong with them. I'd like to say firefighters might know that smell, but I've never been in that situation, and I hope I never am. My hat's off to folks that can do that job. I got a few friends that do it. Got a nephew that does it. Well, adopted nephew, but that's something that just never did appeal to me. If we don't quit doing that, we ain't gonna have it long. Alright. Let's see if we can sand her out and make it look like. We can find something to sand with. It's like a little 120, maybe. I'll get her tool marks out anyway. Finish her shaping. Yeah. Okay, I know I've got more than those 3 pieces. I may not know what I've done with them, but I know I've got them. At least I have them. That's a little different route, I guess. See what I'm seeing here. Well, isn't that pretty? That is a pretty piece of wood. And deer antler is, well, deer antler's deer antler. It's going to be what it's going to be regardless. That is just beautiful. Folks, you never know what you might pick up laying around somewhere, how it might come out looking like. I mean, I have no idea what this wood is. It turns easy, so I'm going off the color and things and how soft it is, which I don't know. The softness could be because it's half rotten. I don't know. But, you know, with the smooth as it turned and everything, I'm thinking maybe cherry, but I don't know. I have no clue. But you just never know what you'll find inside stuff sometimes. I'm glad I've had those laying around this shop for, I don't know, 3 or 4 years, I guess, maybe a little longer. But I'm glad I decided to turn that out today. Just find a paper towel, we get a little alcohol up here. Wipe her down good. Get all grit and grime off of it. If whatever grit and grime it's got. Probably none, honestly. So it looks like it's wet though. Wasn't that snazzy? A capital snaz and a little E, as Wayner would say. Man, I like it. Before y'all ask, I've already got somebody in mind for this pen, so don't even ask. Let's see. I think we'll do a little CA finish on this one. Just because it's, I don't know how to put it, but it's something. Half rotten, I guess, would be one way to, one term to use. Phew. And we'll go through the micro mesh again. Alright. Now, let's dry it off, see what it looks like. So far, we're pretty well even shine. We're dry all the way around. Pretty even. I think we'll be alright. Toss a little shine juice on it just for old time's sake. Because we can. Just a touch of wax. Work that on there. And we'll call that turn. I'll get this all put together and I'll bring you back. Alright folks, we got it all put together. I didn't use any gun parts, so I just used gunmetal coloring fixtures on it. But there it is. It's all together. It all works, and it's absolutely beautiful. But anyway, I'm not sure what's going up first. I don't know if this pin video will be, or the other video. But anyway, as always, thanks for your time. If you've if you've enjoyed this or learned something or whatever, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.